Everybody, this is me, Vinu Venkatesh, again on behalf of SAI Education for Competitive Examinations. We had started discussing HCF and LCM last time. I do hope you found it easy to understand. Let's continue with that discussion and let's just jump in. We left at number 9, so let's start number 10. The traffic lights, it's at, not are, at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they all change simultaneously at 8:20 hours, that is 8:20 am, then at what time will they change again simultaneously? So in this case, it's very simple. We simply have to find the LCM of 48, 72 and 108, which is nothing but 432 seconds. Convert that into 7 minutes and 12 seconds and you add it to this time, so you get 8:27 am and 12 seconds. You will have to understand the question when you do such things. They're all, and secondly, they're all in the same units, so we can directly find the LCM. Alright, you just have to understand such questions and move ahead. So, moving on to number 11. What is the maximum number of students among whom 1001 pens and 910 pencils can be distributed in such a way that each student gets the same number of pens and the same number of pencils? Here we have to find the HCF. So what is the maximum number of students among whom 1001 pens and 910 pencils can be distributed such that each student gets the same number of pens and same number of pencils? Here we simply have to find the HCF of 1001 and 910, which is 91. So we can distribute the pens and pencils equally, that is, so that each student gets the same amount only among 91 students. Okay? You have to understand these questions, and you will get an idea. The more you practice it, the more comfortable you'll get at answering such kind of questions. So let's move on to number 12. 6 bells commence tolling together and toll at intervals of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. Toll means sound. In 30 minutes, how many times do they toll together? You simply have to find the LCM of these numbers, right? They are all in the same unit, so you need not worry. The LCM is 120. That is 120 seconds. 120 seconds is equal to 2 minutes. Right? So that means every 2 minutes they toll, that is they sound. So in 30 minutes, how many times do they sound or toll? It's nothing but 30 divided by 2 plus 1, which is 15 plus 1 or 16 times. Okay? Alright, so number 13. Find the least number exactly divisible by 12, 15, 20 and 27. Very simple. We simply have to find the LCM of these 4 numbers, which is 540. You know how to do that. Number 14, let's move on. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12 leaves the same remainder in each case. Again, we have to find the LCM, which is 505. Find the largest number of 4 digits exactly divisible by 12, 15, 18 and 27. So first find the LCM, which is 540. Now the largest 4 digit number is 9999, because after this it is all 5 digits, like 9999 plus 1 is 10,000, which is 5 digits. So the largest 4 digit number is 9999. Divide that by the LCM, we get 279 as the remainder. Subtract that from this 9999 to get 9720. This is the largest 4 digit number which is divisible exactly by these 4 numbers. You will ask me why we are doing all this. This is just the method of doing it. You'll have to know how to do this. So the more you practice, the better idea you will get. Number 16. Find the smallest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 16, 24, 36 and 54. First find the LCM, right, which is 432. Now the smallest 5 digit number is 2. Now the smallest 5 digit number is 10,000. So 10,000 divided by 432, we get 64 as remainder. So we have to find out, we have to add 10,000 plus 432 minus 64, which is 10,368. and this is the smallest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by these 4 numbers. Okay, so moving on to number 17. Number 17 is very basic. Arrange the fractions 17 by 18, 31 by 36, 43 by 45 and 59 by 60 in the ascending order. Okay, so first of all, whenever we are asked to do these kind of questions, first and foremost, remember in our previous classes and in your basic math classes, we have to, in order to get them in the ascending order, we have to have the same denominator. In order to get the same denominator, we have to find the LCM, right, of these denominators, and then like what is done here, equalize them and then see which is in the ascending, which fraction is bigger than which, and arrange in the ascending order. This is very simple. I'm not going through it because we have done this many times before, and I'm sure you have done this elsewhere as well. Now number 18. Sorry, I have missed the page. Right. So number 18. Find the largest number which divides 62, 132 and 237 to leave the same remainder in each case. So here we have to find the HCF. What is the procedure? You'll have to do this. It's a bit different, but this is what we have to do. 132 minus 62 of HCF of 132 minus 62, that is 70. Then 237 minus 132, which is 105. And finally, it is 237 minus 62, which is 175. So that's it for this part of the lecture. We'll come back again and complete the topic. So I do hope you find this easy. All the best, keep practicing and take care.